Hello, and welcome to Zhejiang Shangdian Complete. Electrical Equipment Co. Limited. Today, our maintenance engineer will guide you through effective maintenance and repair procedures for drawer cabinets to ensure safe operation. Part 1. Routine inspection. Regularly check electrical connections in the drawer cabinet to ensure they are secure. Inspect the integrity of insulation materials to prevent current leakage. Part 2. Equipment cleaning. Use appropriate tools and cleaners to remove dust and debris inside the cabinet. Ensure ventilation ports are unobstructed to enhance heat dissipation. Part 3. Troubleshooting. In case of a malfunction, our engineer will diagnose each module to identify the root cause. With professional tools and techniques, we will quickly repair the fault and restore normal operation. Part 4. Safety precautions. Always disconnect the power before performing maintenance or repairs to ensure personal safety. Follow safety procedures and wear appropriate personal protective equipment. By following these steps, you can extend the life of your drawer cabinet and ensure stable operation. For further technical support, please contact Zhejiang Shangdian Complete Electrical Equipment Co. Limited. We are here to assist you. Thank you for watching. We hope this video provides valuable guidance.